In an era where climate change is no longer just a looming threat but a pressing reality, the need for innovative solutions to foster sustainability and environmental consciousness has never been more critical. ECOPOLY emerges as a beacon of hope, an initiative designed not only to engage individuals and communities in the fight against climate change, but also to equip them with the essential skills needed to thrive in a rapidly evolving world. This proposal outlines a vision for a collaborative effort to expand ECOPOLY, an initiative that promises to transform our approach to sustainability while enhancing vital communication skills that are increasingly important in today's interconnected global landscape. At its core, ECOPOLY is about empowerment. It invites participants, individuals, families, students, and corporations to take ownership of their environmental impact through a structured, gamified approach. By engaging in eco-centric projects, members actively work to reduce their carbon footprints while simultaneously documenting their progress on our platform. This documentation is not merely a record. It serves as a means to earn carbon credits, a tangible reward for their efforts. The gamification elements of ECOPOLY add an exciting layer to this initiative, providing recognition and incentives that motivate members to pursue sustainability with vigor. It transforms what could be a daunting task into an engaging and rewarding journey, fostering a culture of environmental stewardship. Accessibility is a cornerstone of ECOPOLY's mission. By offering free memberships, we break down barriers that often hinder participation in sustainability initiatives. This inclusivity ensures that individuals from diverse socioeconomic backgrounds can join the movement, bringing a wealth of perspectives and experiences that enrich the program. The eco-friendly activities that members undertake are not just beneficial for the environment, they also contribute to personal development. By participating in these initiatives, members cultivate a sense of responsibility, develop critical thinking skills, and gain a deeper understanding of their role in the ecosystem. The ECOPOLY Learning Center is pivotal to our strategy, providing a comprehensive suite of educational resources and practical training modules. This center is not just a repository of information, it is a vibrant hub of learning that equips individuals with the tools necessary for sustainable living. From workshops on sustainable agriculture to seminars on energy management and waste reduction, the Learning Center is designed to cater to a wide array of interests and skill levels. It serves as the foundation upon which our community can build, fostering a culture of continuous learning and improvement. In collaboration with Carnegie Mellon University, USA, we have developed specialized training programs that address the critical need for effective communication skills in the business realm. The English Fluency Magic program, which utilizes advanced AI-based native accent assessment technology, is a testament to our commitment to excellence. Coupled with the Business English video series, this initiative prepares participants not only for internships, but also for meaningful careers in international business. In an increasingly globalized economy, the ability to communicate effectively is paramount, and ECOPOLY is dedicated to ensuring that our members are well equipped to navigate this landscape. However, to realize the full potential of ECOPOLY, we require strategic partnerships and financial support from organizations that share our vision. Your investment is crucial in amplifying our outreach efforts and engaging passionate environmental activists who can drive our initiatives forward. With your support, we can enhance our grassroots campaigning and expand our digital presence, ensuring that ECOPOLY reaches the widest possible audience. The alignment of ECOPOLY's objectives with your climate change fund or grant program priorities presents a unique opportunity for collaboration that can yield significant environmental and social impact. The transformative power of ECOPOLY lies not only in its capacity to foster sustainability, but also in its potential to reshape communities into resilient ecosystems. By investing in ECOPOLY, you are not merely funding a program, you are contributing to a movement that seeks to redefine our relationship with the environment. Together, we can cultivate a generation of environmentally conscious individuals who are equipped with the skills needed to address the challenges of today and tomorrow. As we look to the future, The vision for ECOPOLY is one of hope and possibility. It is a vision that recognizes the interconnectedness of our world and the collective responsibility we share in safeguarding it. Through collaboration, education, and empowerment, we can create a sustainable future that benefits not only our communities, but also the planet as a whole. In conclusion, I invite you to join us on this journey. By supporting ECOPOLY, you are taking a stand for sustainability, education, and the development of essential communication skills that are vital in our global society. Together, we can make a meaningful difference in the fight against climate change, transforming individuals and communities into champions of sustainability. I look forward to the opportunity to discuss how we can work together to advance our shared vision and make ECOPOLY a transformative success in addressing the urgent challenges we face. Thank you for considering this proposal, and I am eager to explore the possibilities that lie ahead. Thank you for watching this episode of the ECOPOLY Carbon Accounting Masterclass. Every number we track, every footprint we reduce, and every decision we make brings us one step closer to a low-carbon future. Whether you're an individual, a business, or a community leader, your action matters. Stay curious, stay committed, and keep building the world we all deserve. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the next step in your sustainability journey. This is ECOPOLY, decoding the climate economy, one story at a time. With warm regards, A. Chandrasekhar, Chairman, Managing Director, Xylem Foundation, ECOPOLY.